Hello students, good morning. My name is Rahul Pandey and today I will teach you the first chapter of your English book Beehive. Beehive, first chapter, The Fun They Had, and the author of this lesson is Isaac Asimov. Dear students, in this chapter, the story we shall read as in set in the future, when books and schools as we know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Students, this is the diagram of the future school, school of the future. This is the learning through computer, all right, robotic teachers and moving e-text, and it is virtual classroom. So students, in this chapter we will read we will read in this story the incident who will take held on 17 May 2157. Actually, on this day there is a character and his name is Tommy, and Tommy found a real book on 17 May 2157, and this book belongs to Tommy's grandfather's grandfather. And Tommy, which is 13 years old, and her sister, which name was Margie, and Margie's age was 11 years old. So when Tommy got this book on this date, so he showed this book to her sister. And when Margie showed this book, she became very shocked and she asked that from where did you get this book? So Tommy said that I got this book from attic. Students, when she heard about it, she became shocked and she said to Tommy that, oh my god, means we read everything on a screen and our computer system have millions of books, and this is the book of that time, means the students used to read by the help of this book. Then Tommy said, yes, it was real. In the earlier time, means all the students used to read by the help of this book. And Margie asked that, what is the topic? What is the topic which is based in this school? So about school, Tommy said that means this book is depend on the topic school. Oh, school, Margie was scornful because Margie hate school. I hate school. Why? Because Margie said that means his mechanical teacher giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. That's why Miss Margie was not scoring good in geography. That's why her mother was very tensed and she sent a message to the county inspector that please come and see what is the problem in robotic teacher. So what happened? The county inspector came and he was little man, red face, and he had toolbox, and he gave Margie an apple to eat. All right, students. And when he saw when he saw the large and black ugly robotic teacher, mechanical teacher on a big screen. Oh, means first of all, on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and put test papers. Okay, means after calculating all the reality about that teacher, okay, the county inspector said to Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, that I thought that means geography sector was geared a little too quick. That is why Margie is not scoring good in geography. Okay, so let me give some time. I will repair it. Margie became very happy, all right, because she thought that the county inspector would take the teacher away altogether. Okay, but what happened, do you know? Means when the county inspector took the mechanical teacher inside the room, and he checked all the internal part of that robotic teacher. And after that he found that, means the part of geography was geared too much. That is why Margie was not getting a good score. And Tom, means Margie, became so sad, because once upon a time, when the teacher of Tommy's history teacher of Tommy's have some blanked, history sector had blanked out completely. So at that time the county inspector took the history teacher for 1 month, with him. That's why Margie also thought that, means my geography teacher will also go with county inspector for 1 month, but it doesn't happen. So dear students, after that, what happened, when uh, Tommy and Margie were reading this book. After that, Margie asked his brother Tommy that, please tell me about the school of the future time. So, dear students, Tommy said that, means at the time of his grandfather's grandfather, when he was a student, at that time, all the boys, all the girls used to read by the man. She became shocked. How is it possible that a man will teach? I cannot give permission to any stranger to come in my house, and they will teach us. Then Tommy laughed and he said that, oh my poor sister, in the previous time all the students used to go there to read, and they had a special building and all the kids went there. All right, they were the same age and all the kids learned the same thing, and the teacher used to teach the same topic, okay, the same chapter inside the classroom, and all the students used to understand this. And the teacher also used to give them homework, and they also asked them questions. Oh, hearing this, and after that, all the students left school at the end of the day, and they used to come together, all together, towards their house. So at that time Margie became shocked, means hearing this reality by his brother. uh, so when Tommy explained about this reality, so she became shocked, but she doesn't like this method at that time. After that, students, the time came to attend the class by Tommy and Margie. At that time, Saturday and Sunday, 2 days were holiday. And do you know, students, means Margie's mother used to say that, means all the girls learn better if they learned at a regular hours. That's why at that time Saturday and Sunday there were holiday. And after that, what happened, uh, when she heard about that kind of school, about classroom, she laughed together. All right. Tommy said that it was a very good for them. Why? Because, do you know, means they used to help one another to doing homework. After that, the school time of Margie and Tommy, their mother called them that, please come and attend your class. The robotic teacher came, and where was the classroom of Margie? Her classroom was beside her bedroom. Margie came in her class, and there was a robotic teacher, all right, who was presenting on the big screen. It was flashing, and he said that, okay, The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen and he said that, okay, today I will teach you the addition of fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. And please, you will have to fill the slot whenever I will give you question. And after that, students, the Margi became very angry because she hated to fill that slot as a homework. And at the end of the chapter, students, Margi began to remember that kind of school, that in the old days. And why? Because he thought that at that time, if any students have any problem, so at that time they used to share their homework with one another. And really, at last, she was thinking about the fun they had. Means really, it was a very great day. Very means very good kind of a school when the students used to go to read in the school, and his teacher was a man, not a robotic teacher. So really it was a fun by the Margi side. So students, it was the chapter which I taught you today, the fun they had, written by Isaac Asimov. All right, have a nice day.